What's going on, guys? So I'll get right to it. This video is about the Alpinestars Supertech R10, and this is something you should do immediately. So if you own one of these, you'll know that the chin curtain that they come with is useless. I don't even know why they provide that thing. And what's worse is you can't use it with the chin spoiler. Like, you have to pick one or the other. So last night I was experimenting a little bit, and the Shoei chin curtain, this is from the RF 1400, X14, X15. It's a direct fit, fits right in there. And not only that, you can use the chin spoiler with it. So this was my only gripe with this helmet. It's a great helmet. And that for me is a game changer, man. Goes in the same way. You don't have to modify the helmet. Push the chin curtain in there and then work the chin spoiler. Just start at the edge and you're good to go. Hopefully this helps somebody out there. See ya.